Hey guys, I am Vishal and today I will discuss why you should train your wrist. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then make sure to subscribe our channel, tap on the bell notification so you will never miss our upcoming videos. So guys, without further ado, let's start the video. Stretching and exercising the muscles around your wrist will keep your wrist flexible, stronger, and avoid the repetitive motion and stress injuries. When it comes to calisthenics, I personally feel you don't need to focus on training your wrist, as when you start training for moves like planche, front lever, back lever, handstand, your wrist will get stronger naturally. But still, if you want to train your wrist, then do these exercises and I can assure you, you will get results in just few weeks. Towel pull-ups. So for this exercise you need towels, and for the detailed video on this just click the link above and check it out from here. So now just grab the towels tightly and do at least 6 to 8 reps. And go for 3 to 4 sets. False grip pull-ups. For this again you need a pull-up bar and your grip should be like this. It would be very challenging in the start, but this exercise is very powerful and will help in building a very strong wrist. Do at least 4 to 6 reps and go for 3 to 4 sets. Forearm push-ups. For this exercise, you need to stand near the wall, put your arms straight, hands on the wall, and then choose a range between 8 to 12 reps in a set and then do push-ups. When you feel like it's really easy for you, then lower the elevation and again do the push-up. And if you're still comfortable, then keep lowering it until you reach this level. At this level, you need a little bit core strength as well to maintain the position while doing push-up. For this, you need a pull-up bar. Now grab the bar like this and then do the pull-up. Just by changing the positioning of the wrist, it will put a very good amount of pressure on your wrist. Choose a rep range between 6 to 8 as it is pull-up, so it's not going to be easy, and go for 3 sets. Wrist push-up. Before doing the wrist push-up, make sure your wrist is properly warmed up, and if you have a bit of pain in your wrist, then don't do this exercise because it will increase the pain. And if you don't have any wrist injury or pain, then you can do this push-up. So now put your hands like this and put your knees on the floor, as it will put a lot of pressure on your wrist. Now do the push-up slowly, don't rush, and choose a range between 6 to 10 reps in a set, and you can go for 3 sets. Once you are comfortable doing push-ups on knees, then do without knees, and again do it slowly, don't rush. Again choose a rep range between 6 to 10 reps in a set and go for 3 sets. Handstand hold facing the wall. For this exercise you need a wall, and then do the handstand with the help of the wall. This exercise will put lots of pressure on your wrist and will surely help in strengthening the wrist. So hold this position for at least 30 seconds, and in time, when you have enough strength, then increase the time and go for a minute or even more. And don't make an arch while doing this exercise, as you will get back pain because of this. Handstand push-up facing the wall. Now this is a bit advanced exercise and you need good amount of wrist, shoulder, back, tricep and trap strength as well. So before doing this exercise, warm up your wrist properly. I would recommend go for facing the wall, as you can use your legs in this position, but if you're starting out, then do it with the help of a partner and then do the push-up choose a range between 4 to 8 and then in time increase it to 6 to 10 and even more. Knuckle push-up. If you are doing this push-up on the floor, then it would be very painful but still very effective. And if you want detailed video on this push-up, then you can check it out from here. When you are starting out, then use your knees, and then in time do without knees. And again choose a rep range between 6 to 8 to 10 and increase over time and go for 3 sets. So guys, these are the exercises you can use to build a stronger wrist, and always make sure to do warm up before doing these exercises. And if you're training for planche, front lever, back lever or handstand, then you don't need to do these exercises because it will build naturally. So guys, that's all for now. Just choose couple of exercises from these exercises and put them into your workout routine, and in just few weeks you'll start seeing results. So guys, just follow us in Instagram and Facebook. Feel free to DM us for any kind of help and support. If you like this video, then like it, comment on it and share it with your friends, family and your loved ones. So guys, just believe in yourself, trust the process, and together we are Stacks World. See you guys in next video.
1, 2, 3, go!